points of consonants articulation. Now, we will speak about the places or the points where any consonant is said or articulated. Bilabial. Bilabial is to articulate the sound with the two lips. We use our two lips to pronounce a sound like p, b, m, w. Examples: pin, cup, pen, paper, butt, cap, boy, bike, make, jam, mountain, mystery, work, away, wall, well. Labiodentals. It is to use one lip with the teeth to articulate the sound, like f, v, fun, if, fur, family, vote, save, very, voice. Dental. Dental is to use your tongue between your teeth to articulate the words. For example, th, th, thick, math, thank, think, the, bathe, they, then. Alveolar. It is to articulate the sound with the tongue touching or very close to the upper front teeth. For example, t, d, l, s, z, n, r, to, sat, tall, type, do, bad, dog, day, low, pull, lamp, lemon, say, miss, sound, see, zoo, is, zebra, zero, no, fun, nice, now, rock, car, restaurant, rice,